Welcome back to Bikeverse. Every dead end is just the beginning. This is the 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Limited, the fully equipped, expedition-ready adventure machine that's itching to get dirty. 150 horsepower Revolution Max 1250 V-twin. Factory-installed SW Motec aluminum luggage with 4.24 cubic feet of capacity. Tubeless laced wheels standard for maximum off-road capability. Adaptive ride height, managing seat height from 30.4 inches low to 33.1 inches high. Semi-active suspension, electronically adjusting compression and rebound in real time. Screamin' Eagle quick shifter. Factory engine guards and crash protection. Auxiliary LED lighting. Daymaker adaptive LED headlamp with 6-segment banking lamp. At $26,499, this is turnkey Adventurino accessories needed. The Pan America 1250 Limited is built for the Revolution Max 1250 Adventure Power. The Pan America 1250 Limited shares the same legendary Revolution Max 1250 that powers the entire Pan America lineup, but with refined finishes for a sharper, more classic look. 76.4 cubic inches, 1,252 cubic centimeters of liquid-cooled, high-performance V-twin Fury. 150 horsepower, screaming at 8,750 revolutions per minute. That's genuine sport bike power in an adventure package. 94 foot-pounds of torque, arriving at 6,750 revolutions per minute, providing massive mid-range punch for powering through technical terrain with luggage loaded. That 13.021 compression ratio, extracting maximum energy. Dual overhead cams with variable valve timing, optimizing power delivery across the entire rev range. Electronic sequential port fuel injection, adapting to altitude and conditions. Gear primary drive, more efficient and reliable than chains or belts. 6-speed transmission with Screamin' Eagle clutchless quickshifter, enabling full throttle shifts. This is adventure power refined to perfection. Semi-active suspension and multi-terrain mastery. The Pan America 1250 Limited suspension is where expedition capability meets cutting-edge technology. 1.9-inch inverted fork up front with electronically adjustable semi-active damping control the suspension reads terrain conditions hundreds of times per second and automatically adjusts compression and rebound damping for optimal performance. Linkage-mounted rear monoshock with automatic electronic preload control and semi-active compression and rebound damping. This isn't just adjustable suspension, this is intelligent suspension that adapts in real time. Adaptive ride height automatically lowers the bike from 33.1 inches standard to 30.4 inches at stops, then raises back up when you ride away. Tubeless laced wheels, 19-inch front, 17-inch rear, providing the perfect balance of off-road capability and on-road stability. Michelin Scorcher Adventure radial tires, gripping everything. 42 degrees of lean angle. Fully equipped expedition capability. The Pan America 1250 Limited is fully equipped from the factory, no accessories needed. Factory installed SW Motec aluminum luggage, providing 4.24 cubic feet of secure, waterproof storage enough for week-long expeditions. Factory engine guards and crash protection bars, protecting vital components on rough terrain. Auxiliary LED lighting, illuminating trails in darkness. Daymaker adaptive LED headlamp with 6-segment banking lamp that adjusts beam pattern automatically through corners, brilliant technology. That massive 6.8-inch color TFT touchscreen, providing comprehensive navigation, communication, and vehicle information. Complete rider safety enhancements, cornering enhanced ABS, electronic linked braking, traction control, drag torque slip control, all working through 42 degrees of lean. Vehicle hold control, keeping brakes engaged on hills. Wheel lift mitigation, preventing front wheel lift during acceleration and rear wheel lift under hard braking. Tire pressure monitoring. USB-C charging. 46 miles per gallon efficiency, meaning over 250-mile range. The complete expedition package. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Limited represents the ultimate turnkey adventure machine. This is what happens when Harley builds a bike for serious expedition riders who don't want to spend months adding accessories. Revolution Max 1250, delivering 150 horsepower and 94 foot-pounds of torque. Semi-active suspension, adapting to terrain in real time. Adaptive ride height, making stops confidence-inspiring regardless of load. Factory SW Motec aluminum luggage with 4.24 cubic feet of capacity. Complete factory guards and crash protection. Auxiliary lighting for night riding. Tubeless laced wheels for maximum off-road capability and easy tire changes on remote trails. Screamin' Eagle clutchless quick shifter. Complete rider safety enhancement suite. Massive 6.8-inch touchscreen with full connectivity. At $26,499 or as low as $409 per month, you get everything needed for expedition riding straight from the factory. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Limited. Every dead end is just the beginning. This is Bikeverse, and this is Expedition Adventure Perfected. Ride legendary.